Humanity stands on the edge of an air crisis like never before. To survive, we built giants that breathe for the planet. These colossal turbines inhale the world's toxic air. Precision engineering meets unstoppable force. Every step here carries the weight of humanity's future.
This glow marks the first stage of purification.
Above the clouds, air is captured and transformed. Robots maintain what humans cannot reach. Every inch is monitored for flawless performance. A world turning blue from lack of blue. Systems stand ready for any atmospheric threat.
Soon, these pods will carry life itself.
Atmospheric balance shifts every second. Even the sun reflects our fight for survival. This is the heart of the new air age. Inside lies the technology redefining our future. Only a select few access the core operations. Sector 1, the birthplace of breathable air. Each plate filters millions of particles per minute. Air extraction begins with unstoppable force. Pollution enters, purity will exit. The first wall of defense captures invisible danger.
Nano filtration ignites, cleansing air, molecule by molecule.
Electric precision tears toxins apart.
Warning lights reveal the air humanity breathes.
Automation ensures zero downtime. Purity climbs. Hope rises with it. Purified air enters the arterial network.
Real-time analytics guide every decision.
The factory moves air faster than a hurricane.
Ultraviolet light neutralizes what the eye can't see. Temperature control protects the entire system. Every component of air is isolated with surgical precision. Human skill remains essential in a world of machines. The air itself reacts to the plant's power. Extreme pressure demands extreme safeguards. Pipelines flex under immense atmospheric force.
Precision lasers track every breath of the system.
A controlled storm, engineered for survival.
Temperatures drop to a realm nature rarely visits. Frozen air, captured, condensed, controlled. Oxygen flows like a glowing river.
Humans enter only with maximum protection.
Heavy lifting, perfected by automation. Lasers ensure temperatures remain exact.
Air becomes solid in this frozen sanctuary.
Pressure release creates clouds of frost.
Extreme cold brings oxygen to its purest form.
Cold so sharp, even vapor breaks.
Stabilizers keep liquid oxygen contained.
This glow is the lifeblood of tomorrow.
Purity analysis guarantees human safety. Controlled release prevents catastrophic pressure spikes.
Every reading matters when the stakes are survival.
Pure oxygen travels through crystal clear conduits. Drones patrol the cold to ensure perfection.
Inside these reactors, oxygen transforms into solid power.
The crystal lattice grows one molecule at a time. Micro-robots shape each crystal to perfection. AI predicts crystal stability in real time. Cooling lasers polish the raw structures into usable form. The crystals are transported gently to avoid structural damage.
Only the purest crystals pass this stage.
Their glow day, a sign of perfect molecular alignment.
Each crystal now holds enough energy to power an entire block.
Stabilization prevents them from fracturing under pressure.
Sorting determines which crystals go to medicine, industry, or energy.
Protection is essential. These crystals are extremely sensitive.
A near-perfect score, the mark of world-class engineering.
Human skill balances the energy levels before distribution.
Another successful batch, brained, ready for the world.
Heavy lifting is done by precision robotics. This vault holds the world's cleanest oxygen reserve.
Once sealed,
The crystals are ready for global shipment. Once stabilized, pure oxygen crystals are dispatched at hyperloop speeds across the world. Each pod carries enough oxygen to power an entire district for a full week. From megacities to micro-settlements, distribution never stops. The global transition from fossil fuels to oxygen crystal power begins instantly. For the first time, clean, breathable air becomes a guaranteed resource. No region is too far. Oxygen supply networks span every continent. One central hub feeds thousands of distribution points worldwide. Even the harshest deserts now receive life-supporting oxygen. A single ignition pulse can power a city of 10 million. Human expansion beneath the oceans relies entirely on oxygen crystal technology. Every shipment undergoes strict purity and safety checks.
For communities, cleaner air means better health and better learning.
Crystals remain stable even after thousands of kilometers of travel.
In months, entire regions return to life.
For the next generation, clean air is now a birthright.
What once was smog-choked now breathes freely. Nature and industry now move together. A milestone achieved by human ingenuity.
Global oxygen levels reach their highest point in decades. Nature heals faster when given the air it needs.
Clean air leads to clean water, a powerful chain reaction.
Wildlife returns, where the air becomes pure again.
The final shipment symbolizes a world breathing in harmony. A monument to humanity's fight for survival.